This video will be taking a look at how to screen calls with the text assistant on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to screen calls on your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your phone app. Once you're in your phone app, you want to hit the three dots button at the top right of the screen, and then you want to go into Settings. From there, what you want to do is hit Text Call, and then there you can answer calls without saying a word. A voice assistant will ask the caller why they're calling, and you'll see what they say in a text chat. Then you can type or tap responses that will be read out loud to the caller. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to turn on voice call screening with text call on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.